In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge your Expedia virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to manage your virtual cards inside of Expedia on the latest version of the mobile app or through the website at www.expedia.com. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to manage your cards when you sign into your account using your credentials, and after you are signed in, access your account page. As you can see on the mobile app, you simply have to click Account at the bottom right corner of the screen, or if you're at the website, click on the top right corner of the screen. When you access your profile page, you will be able to click Profile once again, as you can see, update personal details and customize preferences, and wait for it to load. When this loads, you will be able to find payment methods under My Account Info. When you click on payment methods, as you can see, you are going to get a prompt to change your default payment method that you use for any bookings that you make inside of Expedia. In this page, you will be able to manage your virtual cards and change them as you wish. After you make a change to your virtual card, you can click Save over here, and as long as all the information is valid and legitimate, it will be saved under your payment methods, and you will be able to use it for your next booking. You can then change other options around here, but as long as you include a card and save, you can quit out of the account page and start booking your next flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge your Expedia virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.